How to change BuddyPress default groups tab. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to change default tab of BuddyPress groups page. By default, the default tab set automatically to Home tab. You can change it to any tab you want. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is also free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. And then, please go to your FTP or file manager. And go to folder WP content, then folder plugins. Create a new PHP file and name it bp-custom.php. If you already have it, no need to create a new one. Just open it. Next step, please copy a snippet from our GitHub. You can see and click the URL on the description of this video. Paste the copied snippet to the file. In this video, I will set Info tab as the default tab. And let's see the result. You will see Info tab will be the default tab. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.